I am in sales administration in a company that sells electronic products in the US. The first half of the year has just ended and I would like to analyze the results and get ready for a sales review. The results are organized in workboards, which are the next generation of dashboards. They are placed to gather business intelligence information that is dynamic, collaborative, and suggestive. Let's search for a workboard that has the sales information for the first half of the year. And here it is. Here is a map with results in the main markets, and we can see that the camera sales are highest in Ontario and Texas, while computer sales are highest in California and Texas. If we look at the monthly sales, there is a big drop in sales between May and June. So let's find out why. In just a click of a button, Necto identified that the biggest issue in June was with cameras. I wonder what's the cause behind it. Here we can see the analysis of the product sales based on channel type and products. Necto shows us that the biggest issue was in selling cameras in stores, and there was a decline in the sales of nearly 80% from May to June. This is a significant drop. We need to find an explanation for it. We can now start researching the data by slicing and dicing, looking at different levels for the contributions for this drop. But this is a very time-consuming task that requires a good understanding of the data structure, so I will ask Necto to help me with that. Let's click on the cell with the issue and choose Cause and Effect. Necto will now run the analysis for us and bring the topmost contributors for this drop. Let's increase the threshold to see only significant changes in the data and filter the results that are below this threshold. And we can see that the problem is with a specific sales guy, Adam, in a specific location, New York, and with a specific manufacturer called VSA. This is great insight, and I would definitely speak with Adam about it. Let's go back to our workboard and see if there are any further workboards that may be useful for me. So we'll ask Necto for some recommendations through the Necto Advisor. Necto Advisor allows us to see some statistics of the usage of this workboard and which workboards other users who have viewed this one are using. Necto also recommends workboards that contain data and topics of interest that are similar to this one.